Hi friend, once again most welcome in MD.EXCEL. Today I will discuss how to consolidate data in multiple worksheet. Consolidate in data in Excel, merge multiple sheet into one sheet. You can see here there are many files: finance, HR, IT, marketing, operation, and SCMFM and sales. These all sheet merge in a one sheet. That means this is consolidate and making the one meaningful report. Okay, let's start. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं, आइए देखते हैं. See here, finance, HR, IT, marketing, operation, and SCFM. There are many sheets, and my boss give the one task: please all sheet consolidate in the one file and making the one meaningful report. Meaningful report means how many investment finance total, how many total investment HR and IT and marketing and operation. So all sheet in consolidate in the one file, making the one file. How can do? So there are many methods. Very old method, copy paste. So sorry. I know, now I show you the very important techniques, Power Query. So let's start. Control N, open the new workbook and go to data, new query, very lovely options, from file, from workbook, and choose where is file. My file is, in my case, there is C, consolidate. Import this file in Power Query editors. The file is loaded in the Power Query. Now see, the navigator is showing how many sheet: finance, HR, IT, marketing, operation, SCM. Just click here on the finance and see the previews. What is your preview? Data preview, you can check. Just click on the edit and data is loaded in the Power Query editor. This is the main engine, how to transform, how to clean your data, and how to manage your data. Okay, see query setting panel. First I give the name, query name. This is department investment, department investment, and put the enter. The query name is done. So you can check a lots of step automatic apply, but I no need. I need only source. So what I do, just select navigation, right click, delete and delete, and delete it. And now this is my source data. This is finance, HR, IT, marketing, operation. This is file, this is date, and this is item. This is how many sheet and hidden. And you can check here Excel.workbook. This is the formula. Just click here on the table and check your data preview. The data is showing like that, but I no need. Just I click this name column, control, press the control and hold and select the data. Right click, remove the other column because this is no need. Correct, and expand this data file. Uncheck use original column name as the prefix. Don't forget, remind please, uncheck this and okay. And now see, your data is fully expanded, very huge. No worry, how to clean I show you. First of all, you can check here your headings, the headings. So you go to the transform, use first row as headers. Click here and check your name is done. And finally you can go here and filter out September. Okay, and finally you can give this name because this is department department and hit the enter. Just go to home, close load 2, and your data is exiting worksheet. In my case I want to load the here. Okay, and load. The data is loaded in the Excel sheet, but this data is not good. The quality is very bad. You cannot analyze very easy. No worry, I have one solution. Click on the query panel, double click and go to the query editors. Okay, just select this control, hold the control key, account, click, and both are selected, department and account, and right click. Yeah, if you can go to transform here, unpaired column, click here. There are many options. I like these options, very lovely option. Unpaired other columns, and data is unpaired, and give this month, hit the enter. This is value, no problems. Just click and out the filter and OK, and check the data quality, data formatting. This is text, this is any. Click here and put the text. This is text and this is change the data decimal number, and data formatting is done. And finally close, keep this, and now the data quality is changed. Now you can easily analyze on this data department wise, month wise, how much total investment. Correct. You can use, and you can apply also in this data. Simply you can apply this data on the pivot table. But in my session, I load this data direct in the pivot. So click on the query name, double click. Click right click and go to the load 2 and create only connection. Add the data model. Add this data to model and load it. And give one message: possible data is losses. Warning, no problems. Click continue. This data is loaded in data model. And now see 192 row was loaded in data models. Just go to your data. Go to insert, go to the pivot table. Pivot table option you can check here. Use this data model, and where you want this pivot table, I want here. Put there and click OK. And see the pivot table option here. Simply put the value area. You can put the department, row columns, and account. Put there and right click. You can click here, right click, prefill settings, and number formatting is very important. Go to currency and you can put 0 and OK, and the data formatting is done. So easily, this is closed, this is no need. You can see here easily this 4-5 sheet: finance, HR, IT, marketing, operation. So all sheet is consolidate and making the one meaningful report, and how many total investment, ground totals, and department water totals. And easily you can give the design, go and you give them lovely designs. Now job is done. In future, suppose that this is source data, right? Finance, HR, IT, marketing, operation. This in future, anybody will add the one more sheet, any more sheeted data is automatic consolidate. Just I check. I will copy this data, one sheet, create a copy, int, and give the one name warehouse Ahmad. Put the enter. I delete some data. and go to save. When I finish save, just go to the, where is my main data? My data is here, and just click data and refresh. See what happened. Boom. See, warehouse automatic consolidate. This is the best feature, the Power Query editor. You can transform your data and easily you can load in Excel according to. I hope you, the guys, very useful video. I hope you. Thank you so much. All guys, enjoy. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.